Hey, what is up, everyone? This is 7th July 2023, and as you can see here, we have booked almost 1,14,000 rupees in just one trade we have executed yesterday. So we have carried forward 3,600 quantities, that is naked options buying. If you ask me why I have carried forward such a risk, it is because when market is consolidating at one point, and when you're sure that this is not getting broken out from one particular level, then out of experience you know that this is going to come down. And also I had three times the funds of what I have deployed in this trade in order to average this if something goes wrong. So I'm well aware about my risk and reward, and that's why I have carried forward position. So jump right in the video to understand how price action works. And also we'd like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and all the videos in this channel are for educational purposes. So jump right in. What is up, everyone? This is 6th July 2021, and it's 9:21 a.m. in the morning, and as you can see here, market is on its all-time high. So after a long vacation, once I came back to the market, or when I saw the market, it is on its all-time high, and now I need a lot of work. And getting back to work after vacation is kind of tiresome, but I am super excited to start working from today, and that too today is an expiry, so we have to be very careful with the trades that we have taken. So in order to trade in the market, I have to start from the scratch. So now let me start putting out the important resistance and supports that we have here. So this is one area where market can make a move, and then this area should also be another zone for price action. And I'll have to plot all the drops because that will act as important supports and resistances, and I have to see how market reacts today in order to understand the trend. So let's see. Yep, this is also one area of resistance. This area should also be one, and then this one. These are the important areas that we have to consider in mind, and this one as well. So these are the important lines that we have to keep in mind, and this is how my trade goes generally. So let's wait for some more time. If so the gap has to be filled today. If that is not happening, and market if not breaking above 45,160, that's where we can expect a move towards the downside. And also I am certain that this gap is going to get filled in the coming days. So let's see what is going to happen in the market after watching it for the next 15 minutes, as I was away from the market for the last 10 days. So yeah, right. So as we can see here, Banknifty on filling the gap at this level, it has moved down to 45,100, which is a steady fall of almost 80 to 90 points. And looking at the OI, we can see that 45,100 still has put a Y build up, and call is trying to take over is what I believe is happening. No, I think 45,100 will be tested, and from there it will be moving up. So here put was less. I mean, in 45,200 put OI was less, and now when we look at it, put has increased. So there are high chances that 45,100 can be taken as a support, and movement from there towards the upside. Or else, if this low of 45,071 is broken, then we can see a movement towards the downside. So let's see what is going to happen. But until then, without getting any confirmations, let's just not get into any of the trades. So we can see a steady fall, and it has taken a support at 45,075, which has acted as a good support in the previous days as well. My buy thing was 45. My strike was 45,000 PE of 13th July expiry, but my buy price was 287. Now it has gone up to 300, which means I'll have to wait for some more time in order to get into the trade, is what I believe, because I am expecting a further downward movement. I'll probably wait for some more time and get into the trade. I think that is going to be the ideal thing as of now. So we'll have to see if this is broken, but since the important supports are broken, we may see it falling further towards the lower side. So yeah, I think the premium is going down. So once at around 290, we can actually go for a buy in this strike. So let's just look for okay, call is getting over at 45,100, which means we will see some more negative side. So let's see if it corrects above 45 125, then we don't have a trade opportunity. Until then, there are slight chances that this can move towards the lower side. So we'll just wait for some time and we'll conclude and enter into a trade. I think stars are aligning for us. Just wait for some time and we'll get into the trade. So yeah, we've bought 900 quantities of 45,000 PE, and let's try to book a minimum profit today and get out of the trade, as I have not been in the market for the last few days, so it will take some time for me to adapt to the market. Yeah, so 45 100 is having more call now, and I think this will take a resistance around any of these levels and it will come down is what I believe is going to happen. So yeah, let's wait for the right averaging entry and we'll wait for the position and we'll maybe book 15,000 rupees and then we'll get out of the trade. So what we can see here is Bank Nifty is trying to break above 45,140, which is not happening as of now. So this is how our PN looks like, but it's not wise to average it at this point. But if it is closing below this level, which means we'll average the position and we'll wait for a higher profit. So we'll just wait for some time and we'll plan the trade accordingly. Yeah, so we'll just wait for some more time because there can be spike here now and every now and then. So we'll just wait for that and we'll plan the trade accordingly. I mean, we'll plan the averaging accordingly. Right, so I'm gonna go average this with another 900 quantities. Let's just wait for some time. We'll wait for this to hit maybe 10,000 if that happens. Yep, okay. Okay, cool. So we'll average another 900 quantities by. Yep. So our first buy was at 293, below 10 points is 283 is where we have gotten into another 900 quantities. So the average is 288.74 with 1800 quantities is what we are left with. So we will look into how the market reacts and we'll take the call accordingly, as in we will go for the exit accordingly. So yeah, let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, so we have finally saw some green in the PNL, so we'll just leave it like that and see where this is going. Right, so we gonna go average this with another 900 quantities. This is our PNL looks like. We'll add another 900 quantities. Yes, so if this breaks above the trend line, we'll be in a terrible loss, but let's just wait and see what is going to happen. But so we have added another 900 quantities at 268, so we have 2700 quantities in total, and average price is 281. So we'll see what is going to happen and we'll plan the trades accordingly. So yeah, this is how it is, and we have deployed a total of 7,61,000 in this trade. Oh, it's a massive breakout. Yeah, we'll wait for some time and we'll average our position. So it's at 82,000. So we'll let's see the open interest. Okay, looks like 45,200 will be one resistance. We'll wait for some time and we'll then average our position. So that's what I think is the best option for now. So I'm thinking of averaging another 900 quantities because this looks like 200 will take a resistance, but we'll wait for some time and then we'll plan our trades accordingly. It is going to move up and our PNL is going to go above -1 lakh today. But let's just wait for the right opportunity and average our position. So yeah, I will average this another 900 quantities. Looks like I'll have to do that. Yeah, 255 I have averaged it with another 3,600, so another 900 quantities. So our average is 275. So our last buy price was 254.76. So yeah, now we'll wait and we'll keep this position open for a while and see where this is going. Good morning. This is 7th July. As you can see here, Banknifty has opened in a gap down and it tried to move up till 45 to 41, but it didn't happen. And also, we were at a loss of what? Negative 4.15 lakhs yesterday. And today, looking at the PNL, this is what you can see exactly in the screen, which is actually great. From negative 4 lakhs, we have come to positive 10,000 or 15,000 rupees, which is an amazing move, is what I would say. So yeah, let's wait for some time, and we can bear a minimum loss also. We'll just wait for the movement to get completed because the Putoi build up, sorry, Koloi build up in 44 5,000 in the last 15 minutes has been strong. So we'll just see what is going to happen, and then we'll plan our trades accordingly, and we'll get out of our positions. So yeah, this is how our PNL looks like. Yep, we'll try to book some good profits. Just wait for some time and we'll decide our thing accordingly. I'll fix our all orders to 307 is what I believe is the nominal buy. Let's see. I mean, nominal sell. We'll just see what is going to be the best option. Um, yes, in the last 15 minutes, there has been good call I build up in 45,000, which means it will certainly go down. So, yeah. Okay, we'll put all the limit prices to 307. Yes, so we have put our all quantities at 307. We have we'll just wait for what is going to see what is going to happen. Yeah, so I feel Bank Nifty is going to come down from this level again if 45,038 is not broken. So let's see. Let's wait for some time and we'll plan our trades accordingly. So yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to. A slight correction can certainly happen. I'm sure this is going to go to it is going to cross below 44,971. Yes, hopefully we'll see our orders getting triggered right now in the next 5 or 10 minutes. We'll see. Yes. So all our orders were taken at 307, which means we have booked almost 1,14,800 rupees in one trade. Even though this is going up, I don't mind because this is the target that I was looking forward to. I'm sure that this is going to any which ways go down, but this is okay. This is the nominal profit. We could have booked more than 2 lakhs today, but 1,14,000 is well done, good for just one trade. So yeah, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Oh, this was a wonderful opportunity, but I don't mind because the target that I was looking at was 1.5 lakhs. But if at all this moves up from this point, then I'll have to incur a very good loss. So this is totally fine. Yeah.